Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Such a privilege to have you with us. Could you just introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about, what you do?
Yeah, sure. My name's Catherine. I work at Nesta Challenges, which is a part of Nesta that look at using challenge prizes to spark innovation and build ecosystems around big changes and innovation. So right now I'm working on the Open Up 2020 challenge, which is a flagship challenge prize funded by Open Banking Limited, looking at how we can create a really great set of consumer-facing open banking innovators and really kind of supercharge their growth and build fantastic examples for the entire sector to show some really incredible open banking applications for consumers in the UK.
It's really delightful to hear this. So we know that open banking is supposed to be this force for good that is driving financial inclusion. So what are your observations? How has it been going?
So we're really excited to say that we actually received 107 applications to Open Up 2020, of which now we've just released our 15 finalists. So what we saw when we kind of saw all of those applications is there's such a wide variety of applications using open banking to support people in financial inclusion. And these are kind of go across all the different aspects. So in terms of accessing and supporting people who are unbanked, but also looking at people who maybe particularly usually underserved by traditional banking, or even kind of other people with other vulnerabilities, whether for example that's mental health issues like kind of dementia, or even people kind of experiencing domestic abuse, a really wide range of people kind of who might have vulnerabilities and struggle with kind of traditional banking products. We're really seeing across the entirety of open banking a lot of really fantastic ways to support people, be it to kind of accessing credit, people with very thin credit files or no credit files, supporting people who are renting to actually look at innovative approaches to potentially maybe not even needing a significant deposit, and looking at kind of alternative products there. So we're actually looking at making sure people don't go into really kind of troublesome debt, looking at really exciting new ways to kind of build credit scores, but also access affordable credit using things like loan subscriptions.
So you've mentioned Nesta Challenges. So I know that it's not the first challenge that you've set to the financial services sector. So what's unique about this one?
Yeah, so Open Up 2020 is our challenge that's really, really focused on consumer banking technology. So it's technology for consumers, and part of the challenge, we're really looking at kind of supercharging the growth of open banking for consumers. And so the prize is kind of a challenge prize fund for the finalists. We've also got them a really fantastic range of support and non-financial support, including looking at things like service design and behavioural insights in relation to kind of things like the consent journey, which is everyone's favourite topic. But also, very excitingly, we're working with a very large digital marketing agency that's going to help design a very large digital marketing campaign next year here in the UK, looking at kind of promoting all 15 finalists, but really looking to kind of build consumer awareness and trust of open banking and what it is.
So what have top 3 challenges so far in when it comes to open banking driving financial inclusion?
I think just general key kind of challenges in terms of financial inclusion is actually making sure that your users are actually truly asked questions and making sure people are speaking to and understand their target really well and actually kind of speak authentically, so to make sure that people are truly represented in those products. And I think that there's kind of always, and there will always be kind of issues around kind of data protection and consent and making sure that people will be able to really feel truly in control of their data, no matter how vulnerable they are.
Well, I say to all our speakers and guests, we're truly delighted to have you with us tonight. And the fact that you joined Open Banking Excellence, it means a lot to us. Where do you see the value of evenings like tonight?
I think it's really exciting to bring together a lot of people, and so the value of a challenge prize like Open Up is actually kind of getting people together and actually sharing learnings and making everything better. Let's make step changes so that everything improves and we really see everyone succeeding. And so we really hope that with kind of talking about and sharing some of our finalists, we really hope that in 6 months' time, once they've been through the programme, they'll be here on your stage, shining a light and showing some really fantastic customer experiences and sharing a lot more insight with the wider sector.
And seeing financial inclusion being really at a different level. Thank you so much, Catherine. Really appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.